Meditation is a process through which one can alter his or her state of consciousness and focus on a single point of reference. While there are many other things you can do that can alter your state of consciousness, many of them are harmful and may leave negative impacts on the body and mind. Some of them include the use of psychoactive drugs, the practice of hypnosis, taking naps, etc. Among these, meditation is one of the most simple to do, an approach which also brings along a lot of positive benefits to your body and mind. What is meditation? In simple words, meditation removes distracting thoughts and clutter from your mind and helps you focus on a simple point of reference. Most people assume that meditation means clearing the mind completely and reaching a point of peace and tranquility. However, due to the nature and complexity of the human mind, it becomes an impossible task to clear the mind. Instead, focusing on a single point of reference, such as paying attention to one's breath, focusing on an object, etc., gives the same result. This has been practiced and endorsed in cultures all over the world for centuries. There are many forms of meditation which are spiritual and religious in nature. What are the benefits of meditation? Being in a tranquil state of consciousness can help you enjoy a lot of benefits and advantages, such as emotional strength and self-awareness. Being in a meditative state of mind can help you make yourself emotionally stronger and also increase self-awareness. It can help you overcome many mental disorders, such as anxiety, depression, etc. They help to alleviate many pain points and effects that are caused due to stress. Help you be more attentive to detail. A highly conscious mind can help you do your simple day-to-day tasks in a much better and efficient way. To summarize, being in a meditative state of mind can help you be more efficient mentally and also help you overcome many mental issues such as stress, depression, anxiety, etc. Types of meditation. In meditation, there are basically two broad categories which are mentioned as follows. 1. Concentrative meditation. This is a type of meditation which deals with concentrating on a single point of reference or object. This helps you to pay your full attention to a particular task or object and make you more efficient. This can be drawing attention to one's breath, concentrating on one object, etc. 2. Mindfulness meditation. This is a type which basically increases self-awareness and consciousness for the person. This can be used therapeutically to help deal with many issues such as stress, anxiety, depression, etc. To summarize, meditation is an altering the state of consciousness to make the mind more productive and efficient. Reaching a meditative state of mind is not difficult and involves simple techniques such as focusing on a single point of reference, clearing distracting thoughts from your mind, etc. Practicing this on a regular basis has a lot of health benefits and advantages that can make you stronger emotionally.